Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G, the ultimate smartphone for 2025. This international unlocked version works with GSM carriers in the US like T-Mobile, giving you the freedom to choose your network. It also supports dual SIM, so you can easily manage work and personal lines on one device. Now let's talk about that display, a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with Quad HD Plus resolution. Every video, photo, or game looks sharp, smooth, and incredibly vibrant with its 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Victus 2 protection. Inside, you're getting serious power, 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, 12GB of RAM, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing content, this phone handles it effortlessly. Photography lovers will be blown away by the pro-grade quad camera setup, a jaw-dropping 200 megapixels main sensor, plus 50 megapixels and 10 megapixels lenses for zoom and detail, and a 12 megapixels front camera for flawless selfies and video calls. And with a huge 5000 mAh battery, you can go all day without worrying about charging. Plus, it comes with the latest Android 15, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and USB-C 3.2 for ultra-fast connectivity. This phone gives you next-level convenience with Circle to Search powered by Google, letting you find anything instantly. Plus, a built-in digital wallet keeps payments, passes, and IDs secure, making your Galaxy S25 Ultra smarter, faster, and more useful. If you're ready for speed, storage, and a camera system that rivals professional gear, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone you've been waiting for. Don't just upgrade your phone, upgrade your lifestyle. Get yours today. Please scan off CL QR code on the screen or link given in description. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our new videos. Thanks a ton for watching.